big story this morning will be from the Parliament. Modi government finally set to table the Waqf Amendment Bill. Jagdambika Pal, Anurag Thakur will be the speakers for the BJP in the Lok Sabha. We are told also Tejasvi Surya and Ravi Shankar Prasad will be the BJP speakers as well for the Waqf. Sudhanshu Trivedi will read in the Rajya Sabha for the Bharatiya Janata Party. So that's a big news. Piyush, I immediately bring you in. But this is going to be important. Remember, Modi government is going to, what it says is an ambitious bill, but also it's important according to the government. They believe it will set a certain equality, it will set a certain transparency. Piyush joins me now. Piyush, go ahead. Tell me about the BJP list set to speak in the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha for the Waqf Amendment Bill.
Well, today the government is also to bring Waqf Amendment Bill in Lok Sabha at 12 noon, and before that, list of speakers have already been decided, which includes the likes of Nishikant Dubey, Jagdambika Pal, Anurag Thakur, Abhijit Gangopadhyay, Kamalji Sarawat, Tejasvi Surya, Ravi Shankar Prasad. They are going to speak in Lok Sabha. And when it comes in Rajya Sabha, Sudhanshu Trivedi, Radhamohan Das Agarwal, Brijlal, Medha Kulkarni, Bhagwat Karad, they are the ones who are going to speak in Rajya Sabha. So today in Lok Sabha, the discussion on Waqf Amendment Bill will go on for 8 hours. And after that, today itself, we are expecting that the bill is going to be passed, the government is going to reply. The bill is going to be tabled by Kiran Rijiju, Union Minority Affairs Minister. After that, we can expect other leaders from the opposition political parties also to speak on this. And after detailed discussion, like government has assured that they want to have clause by clause discussion. They will respond to each and every argument that will be raised by the opposition. And after the detailed discussion, we can expect the bill to be passed today itself, and tomorrow, most likely, it will be brought in Rajya Sabha.
Stay on with me, Piyush, because this is, remember, important. So, Jagdambika Pal, senior leader, Anurag Thakur will be speaking in the BJP. So will be Tejasvi Surya, Ravi Shankar Prasad. But also Sudhanshu Trivedi will be speaking in the Rajya Sabha for the Bharatiya Janata Party. So the stage is set.